Hey guys, it's your girl Jeray, and you're back to Jeray's Locs because this is what this is giving. This is what it's giving, okay? I went and got my hair done yesterday, but we're gonna get back to it. Let's just go and do that intro, and then we'll talk about why we're here, okay? All right. Okay, so welcome back for the new ones. Hey, and for the people that's been rocking with me, thank you so much for returning. And I'm your girl Jeray, middle name. So I'm here to give you the new look. Okay, I'm giving. The locks are giving. They're here for it. The color is giving. Okay. It's a little dry, but that's what we're here for, okay? We're here for this because I am here, okay, to show you about this new product that I've been using. And I've been seeing this all over YouTube, all over the Loc channel community, and it's called Locs. And I got the lock growth oil, okay? It's lightweight organic oil designed to support lock growth and scalp relaxation, okay? Who don't need things like they scalp relaxated? Okay, I need every part of me relaxed. So I came on because I saw a little bit. Even though I just got my hair done last week, I have a vlog, sort of a vlog about that. Yesterday was the 14th, August 14th. Today is August 15th. I'm trying to have all these videos, these two videos out no later than Monday. Okay, so today is Sunday self-care day. Okay, so she snatched these edges. Okay, now it looks tight, but it really isn't. It isn't. Try to do a turnaround thing. We're gonna see how that works because I always struggle. So let's see, how do we want to do this? Ugh, child, let me see if I turn around. Hope y'all caught that because I can't see it till I edit it. Okay, and my room is not clean. Okay, my bed has got stuff all over the place. Okay, but hold on, you guys. Let me see if I can do this. Or I have done it when I think I did the chair situation. Let's see. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna hope that worked because there was some little, sorry about that, some little complications with when I turn around. I always have an issue. So anyway, so I'm here to talk about the Locs and my Locs extensions and how that's rocking. This will be I guess a 6-week update on my hair. Okay, a 6-week update on my hair. Still loving it, still feeling it. Let's see what happened. So I did a retwist. My stylist Jacqueline, she did a retwist and a style for me, and so that's what we did. Very relaxing, always professional. She's the best. I love her. So normally y'all know I am pretty much a do-it-yourselfer, but lately I've been enjoying getting pampered. Yeah, I have a lot on my plate, so why not just have somebody else to look at my hair sometimes. So this was after 6 weeks, and I did do a color on my hair. This is light golden brown, for anybody that wants to know. It's light golden brown, and trying to get a close up to it as possible. Light golden brown. I did Garnier. Is my hands ashy? I did Garnier Nutrice, I think, in light golden brown. I have used textures and tones. I was a little nervous because I was like, I hope this light golden brown don't look like the textures and tones chick, but you know, I went with it, you know what I'm saying? So I colored my hair before I went there because the girl that could usually do the coloring in the salon, she wasn't in. So I was like, who ain't finna go in with no grays was finna be me. I am, like I said in my previous video, I'll link it somewhere up in here for my blog video, that I am not what you call ready to get into the grays right now. Like, no, not right now. I don't want to. So as long as they make color, honey, that's what I'm gonna be doing. Okay, so here is what this looks like. You just use the little applicator, and what I do, like right up in here, do them edges. Come on. Yeah, a little goes a long way, you guys. Y'all ain't even gotta put a lot, you know. And you can just kind of like go through the locks too. It's real good with and then I kind of just massage. It's real good with scalp, like itching and stuff like that. It really is really good for that. And so I just go in and do that. Yo, this ain't gonna be a long video. I just wanted y'all to check it out. I went on the website and checked it out, but I also went on Amazon. But I wouldn't, you know, for those that can't get it, or if it's like not available or it take more than a couple of days, I go to Amazon and, you know, get it quick. Okay, so basically once I rub it through, I just kind of, once I drop it, I just rub my fingers through, and it feels really good. It smells good. Now I didn't lay these edges, but it's still some gray hair, y'all. Y'all see that? Why? Okay, but anyway, I got all on my freaking oh, but anyway, need to put a little of this all between my fingers because they is ashy. I thought I put some lotion on. See how that go. But anyway, so I just do this. I probably do this every other day. I don't do it like super often, but it really penetrates really good. It smells so good. It has some tea tree oil in it. Let's go down these ingredients. It got jojoba oil, argan, bahami, thyme, tea tree, lavender, cedar wood. What else is in here? I can't read it because I think I might have rubbed some of it off. But anyway, you guys, it has a couple of fragrances in there too for the smell, but a lot of it for the scalp. And so I know tea tree is always gonna be your best friend for scalps, even natural hair, loose naturals. It really don't matter. I put this on my daughter's hair too. This is not just for locks. This is really just growth oil for any kind of hair. Natural hair, relaxed hair if you still do that. No shame. And it's really good. And if you like getting your scalp massage, then put a little bit of this in there and just do a little scalp massage and let somebody do it for you, honey. And you'll be good to go. I know my shirt wrinkled, but hey, I just threw a shirt on and now I'm looking at it like, oh, I probably should iron that. Oh yeah, I probably wasn't even paying no attention to it. But it's okay. I keep it real on my channel, so it is what it is. But just in case you noticed it, I noticed it too. Okay. Anyway, go ahead and get y'all some of this. Order some of this online. Go to their website. I'll link it below in the description box. But this is good. It got some more stuff too. I think they got like a spray, a rose water spray. I'm here for the rose water at any given time. I don't know why my ear just popped. Ha. Okay. Sorry about that. Trying to get it to undo because you know how your ear pop. That's not cute. They have some more good products on there. I haven't used them, but other people are raving about it. I'm here for it. You know, that's for my thumbnail, y'all. I gotta do that. So anyway, that is what it is. Get you some of this. It's affordable, it lasts long, and it doesn't, you don't have to have locks to get this done. You can get this, put this on, like I said, I put it on my daughter's hair. She's 3 years old. And then anybody's scalp, it don't matter. Massaging your man in his head, honey. Guys with your locks, go get some of this. It is what it is. It is what it is. They check out some more products they have. I'm gonna try to see if I can get that spray, because if that's hitting, then I want to try all their products. I think it's black owned too. Don't quote me, but I think it is. But don't quote me. Okay, so that's why I came in, just to show you my new little hairstyle or whatever. I'm trying to keep it up as long as possible. I'm just gonna promise 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 2, 3, 3. Can I do 3? Can I do 3? Anyway, thanks for tuning into my channel. I will have more videos coming soon. Don't forget to check out my locks vlog that I did for my retwist, so you can see what I was looking like before this and then the after. Check that out. And please hit the notification bell anytime you want to be on top of getting my videos. Please, no hesitation. Click on the little bell and you'll know every time I get over. You won't be like, oh, she had a video, I didn't even see it, I didn't even know it, I didn't even see it, I didn't know it. No, girl, guys, hit the notification bell, then you won't even have to put yourself through that kind of thing. I already know y'all go subscribe, so I know that. I feel that energy. I'm giving that energy. Subscribing to my channel will keep you in tune to what's going on with these locks and other stuff. Maybe some vlogs, but I always try to inculcate lock stuff and hair stuff and beauty stuff. Maybe. I don't know. Thinking about it. But anyway, this videos went longer than I wanted to go. We'll get you some locks, Lion Locks oil, growth oil. My extensions are still going well. They're still looking natural. My hair is blending in very well with it. And I'm loving it. I washed it first. This is my first time washing it yesterday, and you know, they didn't fall out. But I don't even think they would. It's not like that. Like, it's too intertwined with my hair now, so it's not even that type of party. But anyway, that's it. And if you're interested in the style, of course, I did not do this. Jacqueline did, and she's in the Long Beach area. If you're in the Long Beach area or close to it, I will link her information below. And I hope you have a great Sunday or a great day whenever this comes out. And I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for tuning in to Ray's Locks. Y'all have a good one. Peace.